Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Toyota Hilux single cab WorkMate Ute, stock reference number 5059. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 2TR 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2TR 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left front, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right card appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy full spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.